Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me, Muhammad Zubair Khan, and today we will start the first lecture of the first week for the BCS students, and the subject is mathematics 2. So the first topic that we have today is a system of linear equation in two variables. We have studied the different topics related to the linear equations in mathematics 1, but in mathematics 2 this is the first topic which is linked to the previous topics also of mathematics 1. So in this particular topic we will discuss the system of linear equation in two variables. So first let me explain that which is the standard form, which particular form of the system of linear equation we have. The system means here we have two linear equations. The first one, which will be in standard form like this, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and the second one is dx plus ey plus f equal to 0. So these two forms we have, which by the combination of these two equations, these two linear equation in two variables, making the system of linear equation in two variable. In this particular system we have two equations, and both the equation having two variable x and y, where x representing what, the independent variable, and y representing what, dependent variable, denoting representing the dependent variable. In case if we draw the graph of the single linear equation in two variable, so it's always giving us a straight line. The graph of a linear equation is a straight line. Whenever we are putting the values of the dependent variable, means if we are putting the value of x and we are getting the value of y, so when we are getting the points, the ordered pairs, and when we are putting the points on the graph sheet xy plane Cartesian coordinate planes, so we can get the straight line. We can get easily the straight line by drawing any equation which should be a linear equation. Linear means basically 1 degree. यानी मतलब is मादिलाए दो मजहूला व एक दरजा. So in case if we needs to draw this kind of equation graphically, so it should be a straight line. Now we have two equations in the system. So we need, when we have two lines, if we have two equations, it means we have two lines. So in two lines, maybe we should have some different conditions when we are going to draw the graph of two lines, the two equations. Every linear equation in two variable representing a single straight line. So two equations representing two lines. So when we are finding the solution of the system of linear equation, so the different methods we are using. The first method, that is graphical method. The second method, that is substitution method. The third method, which is elimination method. These three methods basically we have. Now in case if we try to find out the solution of the system of linear equation graphically, so we are facing these conditions. For example, if we have these x axis and y axis, so maybe the two graphs are intersecting each other at a single point. So if the graphs are intersecting each other at a single point, so in that particular case we have one solution. It means the point of intersection is one, so we have one solution set. मतलब ये है कि एक नुक्ता तकातो दारा. So अगर नुक्ता तकातो यक, it means their solution set should be a single of two lines. They are intersecting each other at a single point. The second one is substitution method that we can apply, and the third one is elimination method. But in case if we are using the graphical method, and this is the first case that we are facing, the second case, in case if we have parallel lines, suppose we have xy plane, and if we have two lines like this, अगर दो line just मवाजी बाशा, no दो किस्मत ची रिजल्ट में आया है In case if we have two lines, two parallel lines, كمون سر دو لاين موازي. In that particular case, we will have no solution. We will have no solution because the line will not intersect each other at any point. So we will have no solution. So in the second condition that we are facing, yeah, the possible outcome that we have, in that particular case, we have no solution. Means the lines are parallel. Line sidi mawazidi. The third one is in case if we have the same lines. If the two lines are, the two equations are same. For example, if we have x plus y equal to 1, again we have x plus y equal to 1. So we have two lines and two lines are same. So we will have the same graph of both the lines. It means the lines will intersect each other at infinite points. Two lines will intersect each other at infinite point. So graphically, we can find out the solution set of the system of linear equations, but first you need to understand that what is meant by system of linear equation. So the equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and dx plus ey plus f equal to 0. This particular form is called what? The system of linear equation, where x is independent variable. On instead of x we are putting the values graphically when we are showing it, and y is dependent variable. Y depends on x. And a b c d e f, for example, if we have in the standard form a b c d some alphabets, so these are the numbers which are belongs to the set of real number. That's why you need to understand that the equations of the form ax plus by plus equal to 0 and dx plus ey plus f equal to 0, this particular pair of equation is called what? System of linear equation. There are three methods for the solution of the system of linear equations. The one is graphical, the second one is substitution method, the third one is elimination method. By using these three methods, we are getting three possible outcomes: one solution, no solution, and infinite solution. In the next video, we will discuss about the first method, which will be the graphical method, through which how we can find out the solution set. So I will solve few examples, and the rest explanation about the system of linear equations and different solutions will be also given in the notes, that the notes I will share with you guys. Thank you.